Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure RIP on ASA. This is our topology. Please understand the IP addressing and topology correctly, then start the configuration. We have 4 routers R1, R2, R3, R4, ASA1, VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's start the configuration with R1. Go to R1. Here we have to configure WAN IP address as well as lane. WAN IP address 192.168.1.1 and lane is 10 series. WAN F0 by 0 192.168.1.1 and lane is 10 series. Select all, copy, go to R1, paste it. Do show IP interface brief. Done. Then we have to generate the configuration for R2. Replace 10 with 20 and 2.1. Select all, copy, go to R2. Done. Then we have to generate the configuration for R3. Replace 20 with 30 and 3.1. Done. Replace 30 with 40 and 4.1. Done. Now, okay, IP addressing complete. We forget to configure VLAN, so go to switch. Go to switch. No VLAN to 2000, VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40, R1, R1 in 10, 2 in 20, 3 in 30, 4 in 40. R1 in 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. Do show history. Yes. R1 in 10, 2 in 20, 3 in 30, 4 in 40. Then we have to configure ASA 0 by 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 10 in 10, 11 in 20, 12 in 30, 13 in 40. Do show VLAN brief. Done. Okay, now R1 complete, 2 complete, 3 complete, 4 complete, switch configuration complete. Let's go to ASA. Hostname ASA1, interface gig 0 by 0, but before it you can verify ASA OS version 9.6.1. Okay, no shut, name if inside IP address 1.2, then gig 0 by 1 no shut, name if DMZ1, security level 60, IP address 2.2, gig 0 by 2 no shut, name if outside, security level 0, IP address 3.2, gig 0 by 3 no shut, name if DMZ2, security level is here 50. Show int IP brief. Okay, we have not configured IP address. IP address is 4.2. Show int IP brief. Done. Now you can see 1.2, 2.2, 3.2, 4.2. 1.2, 2.2, 3.2, 4.2. Show name if 160.0.50. 160.0.50. Done. Again you can verify 1.2, 2.2, 3.2, 4.2, 1.2, 2.2, 3.2, 4.2, 160.0.50, 160.0.50. Check reachability with R1, R2, 3 and 4. Ping R1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Now what we have to do? We have to configure here RIP basic. Go to R1, 2, 3 and 4. Configure RIP. Go to R1. Router RIP. No auto summary. Version 2 network. So what we are going to do? We are going to configure RIP here. Then define 192.168.1.0 network 172.10.0.0. Go to R2, do show IP interface brief, router space RIP no auto summary version 2 network 2.0 network 172.20.0.0. Go to 3, do show IP interface brief, router space RIP no auto summary version 2 network 192.168.3.0 172.30.0.0. Go to 4, do show IP interface brief, router space RIP no auto summary version 2 network 192.168.4.0 172.40.0.0. Done. We have configured RIP on R1, R2, 3, 4. Let's configure RIP on ASA. Go to ASA, router RIP no auto summary version 2. Yes, what you have to do? You have to configure router RIP version 2 no auto summary. Network is here 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Show running config router. We have configured router RIP. Network is here. Show int IP brief 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, version 2 no auto summary. Check the routes. Show route RIP. Done. Inside DMZ1, DMZ2, wait for outside. Done. Now outside routes are also available. Done. Our router, not router, ASA is capable to learn 10, 20, 30, 40. ASA has 10, 20, 30, 40. Ping 172.10.1.1. 10 is accessible, 20 accessible, 30 accessible, 40 accessible. Done. What is next task? Next is here passive interface. Go to ASA, router space RIP question mark, passive interface default. When we will put this command passive interface default, passive interface has a different meaning in RIP. It will not send update. It will not send update, but still it will receive update. Show route RIP. Now you can see we have routes information. Yes, you can see here show route. Update was received before 5 second, before 10 second, before 5 second. And update, you can see update was received before 6 second. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check the routes on R1. Do show IP route RIP. You can see here timer is increasing more than 30 seconds. So what we have to do, we will say to SA that all interface, yes, passive interface default, all interfaces are passive, no passive interface inside, no passive interface DMZ1, DMZ2 and outside. So, or you can define that this specific interface is passive, that is up to you. When we will configure that there is no need to configure passive interface inside DMZ1, outside and DMZ2, then you will see here that ASA will send update to, yes, update was received before 19 seconds. Do show IP route RIP. Yes, update was received before 25 seconds. Copy it, go to 3. Done. And on R4 also. Clear. Next lab is here, redistribution. Go to ASA, but before you can understand here that ASA has a default route toward the R3. Go to ASA, route, outside, any IP, any mask, next hop 3.1, show route outside. Now you can see ASA has a default route toward R3. Check the default route on R1. Yes, there is no route information, you can see. Or there is no default route. It has route information, but it has no information about default route. Same on R2. No default route information. Now what we want to do, we want to redistribute in RIP. Go to ASA, router RIP, redistribute static metric 1, show running config router. Now you can see, go to RIP, redistribute static route with metric 1, go to R1, check the default route. Yes, now we have a default route. Check on R2. We have a default route 3. Okay, now you can see here that ASA has a default route toward outside, and we have redistributed into RIP, but it is not sending default route information to R3, but you can find that it is advertising default route to R1. On R1 we have default route, on R2 we have default route 3, no, 4, yes. Now if you want to remove the default route, then disable redistribution, go to ASA, no, redistribute static, show running config router. Yes, redistribution removed. Go to R1, again check, default route information gone, check on R2, default route information gone, on R3, no, on R4, done. Now next is what? Next is here default information originate. We can also originate default route via this command. Go to ASA, router rip default information originate, show running config router. Put this command, go to router rip default information originate. Using this command, ASA will give the default route to R1 to R2. We will check on R3 also as well as R4. Go to R1. Yes, we have. Go to R2. We have default route information. Go to R3. Okay. Done. We have default route. On R3 also go to 4. Done. When we are using redistribution, you can check router rip default information originate. We have default route on R1, on R2, on R3, on R4. Done. If you want to remove, you can remove this command. No, default information originate, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, now I'm going to no, default information originate. Go to R1. Yes, default route information gone. Next is route filtering. Okay, route filtering, go to ASA. You can put command here, show route inside conf t, or you can also put command show route rip. Now you can see from the inside we are learning multiple networks. Put command access list, for example 10 permit. For example, we want only 10.1, 2, 3. Yes, we are receiving multiple routes from inside. We want to learn specific, create an access list. In the access list, permit them router space rip distribute list 10 in interface inside. Yes, create an access list. In access list, permit 170.10.123. We are learning from inside, so distribute list number 10 when we will receive the route at the interface inside. Done. Show history. Create an access list. In access list, permit 123 172.10 1.0 2.0 3.0. Go to router rip distribute list number 10 in interface inside. Before route filtering, you can see here that we were receiving multiple networks, but now show router or show route inside. Okay, now you can see here the timer of 4, 5, 6 is increasing. Clear route, clear route all, show route inside. Now you can see here that we are receiving only 1, 2, 3. Yes, Why we are receiving 123? Because show running config router. In RIP you have configured distribute list. Distribute list says that apply list number 10 when we are receiving the routes from inside. Show running config access list 10. Access list 10 says that 1 2 3. That's why 1 2 3. Go to router RIP. No, remove this one. Clear route all. Show route inside. We have to wait for update. Done. We have multiple routes. Done. Next is here RIP authentication. Now what we will do, we will configure authentication between ASA and R1. Go to R1, put command keychain trust key 1 key string Shiva. Go to interface IP RIP authentication mode MD5. IP RIP authentication keychain is here. Trust. Do show history. Create keychain, any name, key ID, key string, apply it at interface. Show IP route RIP. Yes, timer is increasing more than 30 seconds. So what we have to do, debug IP RIP events. To stop them on all. Okay, now you can see here that RIP ignored version 2 packet from 1.2 reason invalid authentication. Now what we have to do, we have to configure authentication on ASA also. Go to ASA. Interface gig 0 by 0. Gig 0 by 0 is connected with R1. RIP authentication mode MD5. RIP authentication key string was Shiva, key ID was 1. Show history. RIP authentication mode MD5. RIP authentication key was Shiva, key ID 1. Key was Shiva, key ID 1. Done. Then again check the routes. Show IP route RIP. Now you can see update was received before 11 seconds. What is next? Next is RIP send and receive version. Go to ASA. Interface gig 0 by 0. RIP sent version 2. RIP receive version 2. Done. Show running config interface gig 0 by 0. RIP send version 2, receive version 2. You can customize it according to your requirement, but mostly we use RIP version 2. What is next? Yes, we can also configure here summarization. So how to configure summarization? Go to ASA, interface gig 0 by 0, RIP summary address. Okay. Summarization is not available in ASA, but you can do the same task on routers. But here we are doing the lab of ASA. That's why what we can configure, they are in front of you. We have covered basic, we have covered RIP passive interface, redistribution, default information originate, route filtering, authentication, and send and receive versions. After it, also verify the reachability. Show route RIP ping 170.1.1 reachable till 6.1, 20, working, 30, 40, done. Go to R1, higher to lower, telnet 2, working, higher to lower is allowed, lower to higher you have to open ACL. How to open ACL? See the video of static routing and default routing. Thank you.